Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your Nimble CRM campaign attribution settings. Begin by logging into your Nimble account. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings section in the main menu. In the Settings menu, look for the Campaigns tab and click on it. Under the Campaigns tab, locate the Attribution Settings option. Click on Attribution Settings to open the configuration page. Here, you will see various options related to campaign attribution. Review the default attribution model currently set for your campaigns. If necessary, change the attribution model by selecting a different option from the drop-down menu. Make sure to take note of how each model affects your campaign tracking. Next, scroll down to find the section for tracking parameters. Ensure that the tracking parameters align with your current marketing tools and channels. Verify that the UTM parameters are correctly set up according to your tracking preferences. If needed, adjust the UTM parameters to ensure accurate data collection. Once all settings have been reviewed and verified, click on the Save Changes button. To ensure everything is functioning correctly, conduct a test campaign. Launch a sample campaign and check the reporting dashboard for attribution accuracy. Monitor the results to confirm that the tracked data aligns with your expectations. If you encounter any discrepancies, revisit the attribution settings for further adjustments. Repeat this process periodically to maintain accurate tracking in your marketing efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.